Hello everyone, Mr. Stingray 358 here. A few weeks ago I bought a couple more model trains off of eBay, and I believe this is one, so let me do a quick unboxing. This is just going to be a very brief unboxing. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, I've just been busy with work, by the way. Also, if you notice my arm bandaged up, I cut myself at work the other day, but I'm fine. Alright, so what I ordered were 5 3-bay offset hoppers in the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad's paint scheme. Alright, here's one, number 435 180. $435 $498. This is for my B&O EM1. $435 $313. $435 006. And one more. $435 $222. Now the wheels appear to be plastic on these, so I'll have to change them in order to comply with the standards at my model railroad club. But overall, these seem to be in pretty good condition. These should go pretty well behind my Bachmann Baltimore and Ohio 2884 EM1 Yellowstone. And yeah. Anyway, sorry if that was a bit brief for an unboxing, and sorry again if I haven't been uploading in a while. I've just been really busy at work. Anyway, this is Mr. Stingray 358. See you later.